Hey, how are you all doing? Quite a simple one today, nothing too crazy. As you'll probably figured out, the next series I'll be uploading is Paris Berlin, and that is going to be an adventure on its own. In fact, roll some clips. And MP89. Yeah, keep an eye out for that. During the process of making that video, I got a brand new phone, which means a much needed camera upgrade. So I thought on one of my trips to London, how about I film myself going from Cambridge to London to test out that new camera before Paris Berlin comes by. And so that's what I did. I guess all that's left for me to say is sit back and enjoy this mini video. Thank you very much. Woo. Welcome to Central Cambridge. This is going to be a little short video about me getting from Cambridge to London. Are you kidding me? I was about to say, I'm trying to get a bus train to get to Rusty. Alright, so I'm taking the train, so I'm going to the railway station to get to London, but this bus here is what I need. Okay, no idea where this bus just turned up from, but okay, let's get on. No idea where that just turned up from. Talk about a way to catch me by surprise. Well, at least we won't have to wait for another 10 minutes for a bus. For some reason, the bus station in Cambridge is really weird today. Ever since the time routes got announced and, well, subsequently introduced, the data is not showing, buses aren't tracking, routes aren't showing. It's all a bit weird. Well, I hate to break it, I'm going to do another one because as I've just seen the board, there's a train that leaves to London King's Cross in about 5 minutes. We've got to make a move quick. 6:39 to London King's Cross. Right. Prepare. I have to run again. Thank you. Right. Let's go. Quick. Here's the next minute. Lovely. And on. That was close. That's enough running for one day. That is enough running for one day for me. This train should be good to go any second. Yep, we are ready to go. Shame we couldn't get on the Thames Link. Oh well. Now this will get me into London at 7:30. Not too shabby. Look at that. On-train Wi-Fi. How lovely. I don't mind give me some on-train Wi-Fi. How do you connect? Back. Oh. Poof. Connect. Connect. Why you don't connect me? There we go. For some reason trying to connect back to Edgy Room because we're passing through the biomedical campus. Oh, well, I've realised. Cambridge South, lovely. Looks like work on the station's going on really well. Lovely to see. Right, now I can actually explain what was up. So I started in Camborne this morning. Was going to take a first bus to Cambridge, so I could then get a train down towards London. Bus is at 5:39. We'll get to Cambridge for around 6 a.m. Cambridge station for around 6:05. Get a train, 6:23 train. Be in London by around 7:30. that first bus of the day got cancelled, which effectively cost me about an hour. So I had to get a slower bus into Cambridge, much slower, around 30 minutes slower, then change in centre of town to get another bus to get down towards the railway station. Keep in mind the first bus I was going to take is a direct bus that would go from Camborne straight down to the railway station here, if the internet wants to work. And then, yeah, although that's with that slow bus, I got a bus to the railway station almost instantly, and then a train to London almost instantly. A lot of running though. So that one little move.
We are now approaching Royston. Please mind the step from the train to the platform.
That one little move has saved me half an hour. Because I was anticipating when I get out of town, the railway station, until 7:09. So I got freaking lucky. Anyways, this train's now coming on Royston, which is here. And I bet you this train is about to fail. How you guys liking the new camera, by the way? Bought a new phone for this video. In fact, the whole point of this video is to give it a test run. So we've got here at Royston, then down towards Letchworth, which is the next station. Okay, and then it's direct down to London from there. King's Cross. The opposite's me empty, let's go. Also, with this new camera, this also should mean more microphone issues. I like that. There's something about that groan from the overhead wires that just sounds really, really nice. These Cambridge cruiser trains are fast. Well, to be fair, this is kind of the slower variant of the service because we're traveling during peak hours. So, of course, additionally, at Royston and Letchworth, if you go during like the afternoons or basically the afternoons, you can get trains from London to Cambridge direct. No stops whatsoever. It's just one straight train. It's like an hour to 40 minutes end to end, and it's ludicrously fast.
We are now approaching Letchworth.
Just on the Great Northern 379s, the new ones in the sidings. Well, not really new, technically. They've been around for some time. But it's just, they're reactivated, if I'm making sense. Anyway, Letchworth, final stop for London. Lovely. Here comes the fun part. The direct express part. Off we go. Should be joining the East Coast in about the next minute. And then it's fast time. There's a set of points just after Hitchin. For some reason, we have not been allocated to join the fast lines. Oh. I spoke way too soon. Oh, I hate these tunnels. Absolutely hate them. Please let me go through them. I hate them. The tunnel's about to cross. I absolutely hate them. Here we go. Oh, I hate these tunnels. They always enter me in my ears just absolutely. They always tend to make my ears just something like, I don't know what the feeling is. All I'm gonna say is it makes my hearing go funny. And before you get to London, there's like another 2 of these tunnels. But another one's about to happen now. There's another 2 more, 3 more before you get to London. These 387s are marked usually for about 110 miles an hour. But because the catenary and stuff, they can only do 100. They should be made to do 110. Okay, actually thinking about that twice, they've just got some 379s to replace these 387, which are going to go to Southern. So, if you send... So basically, and those 379s are only capable of doing 100 tops. So, yeah, should have brought that through. Oh, and by the way, we've completely flipped out a lane. We were coming like 2 minutes late when we were coming out of Cambridge. 2 minutes late getting out of Cambridge. We are now running on time. Lovely. I don't know what service this is, but get overtaken. This is kind of the point where you kind of wish you were on I wish I was on that side of the train, because then there's a cool path, there's a cool little part thing here with the tracks. It's kind of like super elevation where one track's above the other. I didn't bring a coat, and it looks like it's going to rain. Haha, great. This train started to be ridiculously slow for some reason. Guessing red chasing yellows. Well, it seems our little journey's over. Or coming to an end anyways. As for this laptop, we've got to disconnect the AirPods. They should route back to my phone. And bye-bye for the rest of the trip. I was promised clear skies. What in the clear skies is this? Oh, for the 491. Nice. Time to go.
A few moments later.
Whoosh, that's a lot of people. The capital. Big up London. I'm gonna go to the concourse and convene. We're back. We are so back. King's Cross. And that's it for this very short video going from Cambridge to London. Yeah, that's probably the shortest video ever done. Usually when I do videos like this, they could last a whole day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I don't know when that's going to be. And I hope you enjoyed the improved quality. Oh, for crying out loud, can you shut the f***